Fit like, I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard. Now, it was sick a booney day. I thought I would get in and try for a bass again. Conditions are not ideal. We're just off of the back of the neap tides and they're starting to grow a wee bit now, but I prefer a good bit of tide. I think the fish feeds better when there's more tide, more tidal flow. But we're going to get a go anyway and see if it like. Fingers crossed. I found a lure. Baron's bar works a treat. You just cast it out into the flow, and it just takes off. You didn't need a long casting rod. I mean, I'm using this. I started off 11.5 foot rod with a bombarder rig. But I'm using this little, I think it's 7 foot rod, and I'm just casting this bearings bar. I think it was a bowline bar or something. I just drilled holes in it, drained the water out. Into the flow, and it's just taken off, and it's going out. Oh, it must be at least 1,000 meters. You can hardly see it just because I went into the distance, so you wouldn't manage to cast that distance. But anyway, I was working this reed gill, really good lure for a bass, and it catched a wee troutie. Now I've tried a couple of times again and they got nothing, but seeing there's wee trouties here, I'm thinking of trying this fly, a shiny kind of fly. Maybe catch a troutie with that, or maybe a bass. Maybe the bass will go for us today. But anyway, I got this wee fly for Phil, for another Angle UK. The last time I was fishing at Cruden Bay, he gave me a wee shooty of this. I didn't catch nothing then, but I've still got it, Phil. So maybe I'll have more luck with today. There was another 12 lads here today. There's a man in his wee loon. And they were fishing at the other side here. Yeah, I see they've taken off a while the back here. See, it looks like they're heading towards the beach. So I'm assuming they haven't catch nothing. No, the fish are not biting it yet. But I want to pull out the big guns now. Yeah. I'm going to try this, lad. It's another reed gill. Well, this is a blue reed gill. Looks a wee bit like a mackerel kind of thing. And between a mackerel and a sail. Sand deal. So we'll try that. It's maybe too big. It's about, I think there's 7 inches. So, but we'll give it a go, see if it like. And we're using the float again. Let's give it float another go. Oh well, it's peace time again. Gonna beat a boiled egg.